I don't put my client in that situation. We're just taking our time. So if you just popped in, we were make that beautiful turn. Stay in the middle. Turn slow. Yes, yes, there you go. Now push the gas pedal to the floor and hold it. Push, keep pushing. Yes, push it to the floor. Yes, this is an NA motor, so it's not really gonna pick up as much. Good job. I need you to come out about 60. It's at about 45. Push that gas pedal. Yes, keep pushing. Yes. And this motor has over 300,000 miles, so I'm quite sure the compression is low. You're doing good. Wait till the line is broken. Blinker, mirror, turn signal. Nice. See him check? Doing great. Nice job. Kill your blinker. Good. That's excellent. Yes. And you want to be consistent. You see how fast cars are going. We're at about 60. They're going 90. But we are talking about good fundamentals. You're doing great. And go slow. Squeeze the brake now. And then stay to the right. There's a lot of wildlife over here, so a lot of eagles and hawks. Good. Keep going.